Today we are comparing Obsidian and Notion. If you're trying to choose the best tool for notes and productivity, this video will help you decide quickly. Both Obsidian and Notion are note-taking tools. They help you organize ideas, write notes, and manage your work in one place. First, let's talk about Notion. Notion is an all in one workspace. You can create notes, databases, tasks, and even websites. It's very visual and easy to use, great for beginners and teams. Now, Obsidian. Obsidian is more focused on personal knowledge management. It stores your notes locally on your device. It uses a linking system to connect your ideas. It's great for deep thinking and long term note taking. Here's the main difference: Notion is more visual and flexible for many use cases. Obsidian is more powerful for linking ideas and personal knowledge. Now, let's look at features. Notion offers templates, databases, collaboration, and cloud sync. Obsidian offers backlinks, graph view, plugins, and full offline access. Obsidian is highly customizable with plugins. Notion is easier to start but less flexible in deep customization. Now, performance. Obsidian is fast because everything is stored locally. Notion can feel slower sometimes because it runs in the cloud. Now, pricing. Notion has a free plan and paid plans for teams and extra features. Obsidian is free for personal use, but you pay for sync and some add ons. So, Notion is better for teams and all in one workflows. Obsidian is better for personal use and deep thinking. So, which one should you choose? Choose Notion if you want something simple, visual, and collaborative. Choose Obsidian if you want full control, speed, and better note linking. Both are great tools. It depends on how you work. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and